Hey guys, what's up? Rae here. Thanks for watching the channel. Today is going to be gas day. We are going to go fill up the 55-gallon drum right here at the closest gas station we have, which is unfortunately all the way in Palm Bay. It's a little far from us, but we are going to go take it, fill it up until we can get some company to fill up our 275 over there in the corner. If anybody knows any companies that can fill that up, drop a comment below. So we're gonna fill this and load it, and then I'll get back to you when we're on the road. Hey guys, alright, so we're on the road heading to Palm Bay. It's about a 35-minute drive, so it's not too bad, but it's not close enough to make it easier for us. So we've got the 55-gallon drum loaded in the back. If you can see it from this angle, I'm not sure. But the reason why we're choosing to have E85 at the house is mostly because my cars are going to be on it. The Camaro and the V are both going to be on it. They're Flexfuel. Once his Evos are running, both of them are going to be on E85. So we definitely need to have some gas stored at the house. Hopefully we can get a company to fill up that 275. I've been reaching out to a bunch of different companies, but I haven't been able to find one that will come out and fill it yet. So if you guys know of anybody, again, let me know. That would be great. So yeah, so we're almost not there yet, but we're passing. Oh shit. Haha. Alright, so we are passing Vieira, heading there. So we'll be there probably about 25 minutes, give or take, and I'll update you when I get there. Okay? Hey guys, Rae here. So we're at the gas station, and now we're gonna test it real quick and make sure that it is, well, it is what it is. And then we're gonna go ahead and fill it up. Right, I'll get back to you in just a sec. So this is how we are unloading our 55-gallon drum into the garage. We have a little dolly type thing. Ooh, hello. Now the fun part. That's too much.
Push against me?
Me against you. Oh, I see. Okay.
Good.
So now we've got the 55-gallon drum in the garage. Just find a little home for it. And still gotta get the 5-gallon drum out. But yeah, now we've got E85 for the house. For the Camaro, once we get that up and running, bumper's still being painted at the moment. And then we got it for the V, of course. Once his Evos are up and running, all 4 cars are gonna be on E85. So we need lots of it. Alright guys, thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.